Well, you've all heard about stem cells in the news, and perhaps you've wondered if they might help you or a loved one with a serious disease. You may wonder what stem cells are and how they're being used and why they're the subject of a vigorous debate. We have the experts from the clinic here in San Miguel de Allende to discuss some of the most frequently asked questions about stem cells. I'm certain there are going to be some questions from our audience out there. So please use the chat feature. You'll find it located on the bottom of your screen to type in your questions. So now let me introduce our speakers, Dr. Ricardo Gordillo and his colleague, Dr. Carlos Tellez Osorio from the clinic.
Well, thank you. Good morning. And it is so nice to see many familiar faces. Thank you for having us today. Thank you, Rotary Club International, and all the people that make this great organization be a pillar of support to the San Miguel community and the world. Today we will be presenting to you what we have been doing since we last saw you in your last invite that you gave us. And as you well know, COVID has put a cherry on our lives, making our struggles even more challenging. This is what has kept us very busy the last couple of months, and today we are very proud to say that we are ready to start this new adventure. Therefore, Dr. Carlos Tellez will be giving you an introduction to the part of that we call GRP, which is Genetic Rejuvenation Project. Dr. Tellez is our research director. He has got a PhD in virology by the Universidad Autónoma de Puebla. Since 1982, he has been working with cell cultures as supplies for his research activity. And after seeing the need in this field, he specifically started working in 2005 with the stem cells. He got involved in all the phases that involve the development, such as extraction, proliferation, ultra-free storage, and accumulated thousands and thousands of hours in the laboratory. So, as I can verify, it is extremely difficult to find somebody with his expertise and knowledge. We share a dream together, and in GRP, hopefully, we change the approach to medicine as we know it. By that said, it is let the body also try to regenerate the body. This is a very long topic that we might discuss another day, but today we're going to do the introduction of GRP with Dr. Tellez.
Vamos a compartir la pantalla.
Can we share the screen, please?
Yes, I've given you permission to share the screen. You have to turn it on where you are, but I've given you permission.
Excellent, thank you.
Okay. Good morning.
Aquí estamos todos observando la pantalla.
Okay, are we all observing the screen right now? Is it
Not
clear?
yet, not yet.
Not yet.
But I've unlocked it so that you can share your screen.
Yes, we have to. Podemos ayudar. Todavía no lo ven.
We have it in our screen. Can you see it by any chance?
No, but in Zoom, you have to turn on your share screen button. There's a button that turns on your sharing.
Just open the screen of Zoom. Open this one. Abre la grande, por favor.
¿Listo?
Y la ficha de abajo. Ahí, pero enseña anclaje renueva, añadir imagen de perfil, ocultar acá en el clip.
It should be located on the bottom of your screen.
Give me one quick second.
You need to bring your pointer down to the bottom of the screen and it should pop up.
Yes, really. Okay, okay. There we go. Screen, share screen. Compartir. Okay.
There you go.
There we go.
You got it.
Okay, I apologize for that inconvenience. And
No.
ahí estamos. All right, can everybody see this?
Yes.
Yes, it's visible.
Yes, we're good. You may proceed.
All right. Thank you.
So,
Buenos días a todos.
good morning, everybody.
Muchas gracias por su atención.
Thank you for being with us and paying attention.
Vamos a iniciar con algunos comentarios generales
We're going to initiate with some of our commentaries, general information
acerca de células truncales
about the stem cells
y medicina regenerativa.
and the regeneration,
Particularmente
regenerative medicine.
Particularmente en la actividad que estamos llevando a cabo
Now, in this activity that we realize that we're doing
en GRP 18,
in GRP 18,
el cual es un banco de células
that is a bank of cells,
progenitoras o troncales
stem cells or progenitor cells,
que cuenta con la aprobación
that we have the approval
de las autoridades sanitarias de nuestro país.
of all the instance, the FDA the Mexican FDA.
Okay. La actividad que hemos desarrollado
The activity that we have
a
realized
través de los años
in the years
se ha centrado en el cultivo de células.
has been centered in the culture of cells.
Eso nos ha permitido
This has permitted us
realizar diagnóstico viral,
to make a viral diagnosis,
incorporar nuestra actividad
incorporating it in the
en la
academics,
universidad
in the university,
y desarrollando investigación aplicada,
and developing the research, the applied research,
particularmente en los últimos años.
especially in the last years.
Hemos estado trabajando
We have been working
el modelo de células troncales,
in the mesenchymal stem cells,
cuyo objetivo
which objective
es aplicarlo en terapias celulares.
is to use it in cell therapies.
Para entrar en detalle,
To go into the detail,
nos gustaría dar un repaso muy
we would
breve
just make a little look,
acerca
a little review
de la estructura
about
general
the
de una célula.
structure of a cell.
En la parte central
In the center,
se ubica
we have
el núcleo de la célula,
the nucleus of the cell
la cual contiene particularmente
that has the DNA.
DNA. Hay otras estructuras de la
There
célula,
are other structures
como
of the
las
cell,
mitocondrias
like the mitochondria,
y el retículo endoplásmico,
the endoplasmic reticle,
que tienen funciones muy
that
particulares
have very particular
para que la célula
functions
pueda funcionar.
so that the cell can work well.
Si atendemos o
If
podemos
we
revisar
Review
cómo se reproduce una célula,
how a cell is reproduced,
este diagrama
we can see
muestra que una célula normal
that a normal cell
puede formar dos células hijas
can have two daughters
idénticas al origen.
identical to the mother.
Eso se denomina.
This process is called mitotic division.
Cada célula resultante
Each cell
dará origen
will give
a dos células más
two more cells,
y este proceso es
and this
continuo,
process is continuous
frecuente, siempre y cuando
always
estemos de una célula normal.
always think that we're going with a normal cell.
Las imágenes corresponden a una división celular real,
Are from a real division of a cell,
en donde a partir de
where you
unas
can see
células
that from one cell
se observan fotografías,
we can see
el
photographs
proceso bajo el cual una célula da origen
where the
a dos de
process is
ellas.
giving an origin of two other cells.
Yeah. De manera que de dos células,
So that from two
Obtenemos
cells
cuatro.
we have 4 cells
y ese proceso
and so on.
es consecutivo. Sin embargo,
Nevertheless,
una característica muy
One
especial de las células troncales
of the very specific characteristics of the stem cells
es que ellas pueden efectivamente dar origen a dos células
is
hijas,
that, of course, they can do origin, they can give origin to two daughter
pero
cells,
además
but also
pueden dar origen
they can give oranges
a otros diferentes tipos de
for
células.
other different types of cells.
Esta característica
This characteristic
es exclusiva de las células troncales
is exclusive of the stem cells,
y es lo que las define.
and that's what they give the name of it.
Un ejemplo de ello
One of the examples of this
son las células troncales
is the stem
de la
cells
sangre,
of the blood
la cual reconocemos o denominamos hematopoietica.
that we call or recognize like an hematopoietic
Son las células
cell.
troncales de nuestra sangre,
That's the stem cell of our blood
las cuales, por sus características,
that give us certain characteristics.
dan origen a todas las células que forman nuestra sangre.
They give all the origin to the cells that are in our blood,
Tales como los eritrocitos,
like the erythrocytes,
las células dendríticas
the dendritic cells,
o los linfocitos B.
the lymphocytes.
Cada célula tiene una función
Each
especializada
cell has a specific function,
y es lo que motiva
and that give us,
a que estas células sean tan importantes
and that's the important part that gives us those cells,
para el funcionamiento de nuestro organismo.
so that our organs can work well.
La investigación con células troncales
The investigation with the stem cells
desarrollado de manera importante durante los últimos años.
has been developing very successfully in the last years.
Estudiando no solo a las células en sí,
It's not only the study of the cell itself,
sino también el comportamiento
it's also the behavior
de su información genética.
of the genetic information that they have.
Es por eso
That's why
que en GRP18
that in GRP18,
estamos interesados
we're interested
en estudiar la característica de las células
study the the behavior of the cell
y de su información genética.
and of their information, their genetic information.
La idea
The idea
de GRP18
of GRP18
es estar a la vanguardia
is to be at the head
de células troncales
of
en
the
la medicina
stem
moderna.
cells in the modern medicine.
Y estamos en el tránsito
And we're in the transit
de la investigación científica
to the research, the scientific research
a las aplicaciones clínicas.
in the clinical applications.
Estos estudios
Those studies
iniciaron
have started
en la Escuela de Medicina
in the medicine school
de
of
Wake Forest, de la
Wake
Universidad de Wake
Forest, of the
Forest,
University of
donde
Wake
Julia
Forest.
Erickson
Julie G. Alexson
obtenía células troncales
was becoming stem cells, mesenchymal stem
de
cells
fluido amniótico
from the amniotic fluid
de madres
of
embarazadas
mothers, pregnant women.
e intentaba utilizar esos productos
And they were trying to use those products
con fines terapéuticos.
with therapeutic means.
Hoy en día,
Nowadays,
aparte del fluido amniótico,
also using the amniotic fluids, we have other ones.
podemos obtener células troncales
We can get other stem cells
de tejidos perinatales.
from perinatal tissues,
tales como membrana placentaria
like the placental membrane
o cordón umbilical.
or the umbilical cordon.
Si consideramos
If we consider
en qué órganos tenemos
in which organs we have
células troncales,
stem cells,
son varios los órganos y
they're
tejidos.
different. Organs that they
We've lost our connection. I think we're frozen.
I think they're having some problems with their connection. Ron, can you hear me?
I can.
Okay, what's going on? I see
Right.
you.
I think we lost them. Oh, there they go. They're back.
Okay, they're back.
I'm afraid we have no sound from.
It appears that, Doctor, if you could please, if you can hear me, we are not getting any audio from you. You need to, if for some reason you might be muted, you'll have to unmute.
do you hear us now?
Yes,
Yes.
you may proceed. Okay, go ahead.
Open and you have also the image of the presentation?
Yes, we do.
Okay.
Okay. En vez de médula ósea,
Instead of using bone marrow,
podemos obtener
we can obtain
células troncales
stem
a
cells
partir de una
from-
muestra
as example
de tejido graso abdominal.
of abdominal fat tissue.
Es una técnica
That is a technique
no complicada
that it's not
y
complicated
solo requerimos un pequeño volumen
and we just need a little bit of it,
de tejido graso,
of this tissue.
aproximadamente 60
It's
mililitros.
about 60 milliliters of it.
¿Puedo pasar?
¿Qué necesita, doctor?
Necesito
Hold
pasar
on,
la
one
siguiente.
doctor. Oh, tenemos que pasar a la que sigue.
Ok, sí, por acá. ¿Pueden observar bien?
You can see the presentation, right? Yes, I think sí, creo que no hay problema, doctor.
Estas son unas imágenes que muestran
This is again an image that
el
shows
tejido
us
graso
how the fat
en su
tissue is,
estructura normal.
how the structure of a normal fat tissue.
Y este es cuando obtenemos
And this one is the one
un
where we
lipoaspirado.
have a liposuction aspiration.
Ok.
No encuentro.
En el laboratorio,
In the lab,
lo que hacemos
what we have
es partir de ese lipoaspirado.
is we start in the
Con
sense
las
that
troncales aisladas.
so we have the
Well, this is what happens frequently, unfortunately, with Zoom. There's a problem with their internet connection. I apologize for the interruption as they will try and reconnect. So we ask you to please stand by, as they say in television land. Okay, doctor, I think your screen is back up. Can you hear us?
Yes.
Okay, please go ahead and proceed.
Ok, podemos continuar, doctor, por favor?
¿Ok?
Okay.
Comentábamos que
We were
partimos
saying again,
de un
I will
lipoaspirado,
repeat, that we start of a lipoaspiration,
el cual lo sometemos a un tratamiento enzimático
that we're going to work on an enzymatic treatment,
para trabajar solo con las células
and we
troncales.
can isolate just the stem cells.
Este cultivo
This culture, this grow,
lo mantenemos durante algunos días
we will have it several days
A
working
37
in
grados.
flax on a temperature of 37 degrees Celsius, and that's about 98.57 Fahrenheit.
En ese tiempo las células se
In
reproducen
that time, the cells will reproduce,
y alcanzamos un número mayor de
and
ellas
then we will have more of them.
para poder entonces hacer un subcultivo
So then we can start a second culture, a
de un frasco
subculture,
a
in
dos.
another flax, and then continue on 2 flax.
Y ese proceso
This process
vuelve a desarrollarse
will be developed again
a
at the
través de
same,
los días siguientes.
in the following days.
La idea es que las células troncales
De-
proliferen.
The idea is the proliferation of those stem cells.
Requerimos
We need
para este
for
proceso
this process
medio de cultivo
a basic cell medium
el cual su consistencia es líquida,
that will be liquid,
y también necesitamos frascos
and then we need also those
de
flasks
poliestireno
that are made of polystyrene,
para que las células puedan reproducirse en la superficie de ellos.
so those cells can be reproduced on the top of them, in them.
La incubación, como lo habíamos comentado,
The incubation of those cells
es a 37
has to
grados
be at 37 degrees Celsius, 98 something Fahrenheit,
para que podamos desarrollar un cultivo
so we can develop a culture
con altos estándares de calidad.
with very high standard quality standards.
En el laboratorio de GRP18
In the laboratory of GRP18,
hacemos ese proceso
we
de
are working in this
incrementar
process
el
to
número de células
increase the cell numbers
a través de los subcultivos,
on the subcultures,
pero a diferencia de otros lugares
but in the difference of other places
que alcanzan baja productividad,
that have a very low productivity,
nosotros alcanzamos
we can get
a reproducir mayor número de células
more quantity of cells
y de mejor calidad.
and with a better quality.
¿Qué es lo que observamos
What do we see
cuando
when we
tratamos de, empleando un microscopio,
when we are looking into a microscope
ver la morfología de las
and we
células?
see the morphology of a cell?
Esta es la imagen
This is the image of it,
de células
of a
troncales
stem cell
crecidas en condiciones de
that has
laboratorio.
been grown in a condition of a laboratory.
Necesitamos además
We also need
caracterizar el número de células
make the characterization of the number of cells
por una tecnología denominada
by a cytometry flow.
citometría de flow.
Cytometry flow. Mhm.
Ese estudio
This study
que mandamos a realizar a otras
that we
instituciones
do in another institution
nos reportan
gives us
el tipo,
the type,
el número
the number,
y la viabilidad de las células.
and the viability of the cells.
¿Okay? Otra de las actividades del banco
Another activity of the bank
de GRP18
of GRP18
es poder conservar
is that we can conserve
a temperaturas muy
in
bajas
very low temperatures
células
the cells,
de cada
stem
paciente.
cells of each patient,
si es su deseo
if the patient would like to
y
have it.
funcionar como un verdadero banco.
And we can work as a real bank of stem cells.
En estas condiciones
In these conditions,
podemos mantener
we
las
can
células
have the cells
durante muchos años
in lots of years
sin
without
que pierdan su actividad.
losing their activity. Minus 86 is about 120 something Fahrenheit, minus 120 something Fahrenheit. I will check it and I tell you.
Sí, 86 grados bajo cero.
It's going to be minus 86.
Tenemos que tener mucho
We have to
cuidado
be very careful
en no incurrir, no desarrollar
that we don't develop
malas prácticas de
bad
laboratorio.
activities, bad practices in the lab.
Estas imágenes muestran
This images shows us
procesos que no tienen control
process that have no
y
control
que pueden conducir a
and
errores.
that can bring to very big mistakes.
Por eso es que en GRP 18
That's why we in GRP 18
atendemos las
we
indicaciones
are taking care of we're following the sanitary regulations.
Okay.
Yeah.
que en nuestro país
That we can,
es COFEPRIS
that in our country it's called COFEPRIS.
o el equivalente en Estados Unidos
In US
a la FDA.
it would be the FDA.
Ellos establecen lineamientos
They establish lines
para desarrollar terapias avanzadas
to develop advanced
en
therapies
medicina regenerativa.
in this regenerative medicine.
Y estas son las
And
instituciones
those are the institutions
que marcan la vanguardia
that are the vanguard and the head
de la terapia regenerativa con células
in
troncales.
this therapy with the stem cells.
¿Qué necesitamos para hacer terapia con células?
What do we need to do this therapy with stem cells?
Tenemos que darle un tratamiento integral
We have to make an integrate treatment
a los pacientes,
to the patients,
personalizado
personalized
y confidencial.
and confidential.
Necesitamos
We need also
que nos firme
that they sign a
un consentimiento informado,
consent, an informed consent,
porque ocuparemos terapias
because we're using
en
therapies
donde introduciremos
where we're gonna introduce
algunas sustancias, algunas células
some cells, some
o
substances
moléculas
or molecules
para que su organismo se regenere.
so that the organ are regenerating.
Ese tipo de terapia se denomina
This type of therapy
Ex
is
vivo.
called ex vivo
porque obtenemos células de una persona,
because we become cells of a person,
la cultivamos
we cultivate
y
it,
se le
we
regresa.
grow it, and then we put it back.
Necesitamos
We need
desarrollar este proceso
develop this process
de acuerdo con las indicaciones
in coordination with the indications
de las autoridades que referíamos hace unos momentos
that we were talking about before.
para obtener células troncales
So to become the stem cells
que alcancen un grado clínico,
that can get a clinical grade of production.
lo que equivale a decir
That would be the same to say
que sean seguras y eficaces
that they have to be secure
para los pacientes.
and efficacy, no, and yes, and for the patients.
Okay. Es por eso que necesitamos
That's why we need
que en los días previos
that in the days before
de la terapia celular
of this treatment,
platiquemos y
We can
trabajemos
talk
mucho
and we
con el paciente
we work a lot with the patient,
para que podamos
so we could,
eliminar en él una
so we can,
condición denominada estrés oxidativo.
eliminate a condition that we call oxidative stress.
Eso significa
That means
que en condiciones normales
that in the normal conditions,
la célula
the
trabaja
cell works
de manera eficiente,
in an efficient way.
pero con el paso del tiempo,
But when the time passes,
algunas enfermedades
some illnesses
o algún accidente,
or an accident,
es posible que la célula
it can happen that the cell
genere sustancias reactivas de oxígeno
will produce special oxygen reactions
las cuales son tóxicas
that can be toxic
para las células
for the cell
y condicionan estrés oxidativo.
and can condition this oxidative stress.
Para contrarrestar ese efecto,
So to take away this effect,
necesitamos
we
ocupar
have to
antioxidantes
use antioxidants
para que la célula vuelva a la normalidad.
so that the cell comes again to the normality.
Esta condición se denomina
This condition is called
biological redox.
biological redox.
Otro término de importancia
Another important term
es el nicho celular.
is the cell niche.
Esto quiere decir
That means
que si esta célula fuese una célula troncal,
that if this cell would be a stem cell,
está rodeada por otras tantas
it is surrounded by other cells
que le sirven de soporte
that will help to support it.
y están comunicadas entre
And
ellas
they are also communicated,
a través de señales
through signals
o estructuras que les rodean.
or from structures that are surrounding them.
Este nicho celular
This cell niche
también recibe señales
becomes also signals
de otras células
of other cells.
y esto es lo que les permite a
And
las
this
células
is
troncales
what the stem cell will be able to
reproducirse
be reproduced
y generar diferentes tipos de
and,
células
and produce other kind of cells
con fines regenerativos.
with regenerative what? Ends, excuse me.
Este diagrama
This diagram,
no lo vamos a describir con detalle,
I'm not going to explain it very detailedly,
solo es para indicar
but I just want to indicate
que una célula
that
troncal
one stem cell
tiene un cierto tipo de metabolismo,
has a certain type of metabolism
el cual es muy
that
diferente
is very different
en las células
in the
que
cells
forman parte de nuestro cuerpo.
that are part of our body.
Esto es una importancia, es de importancia porque nos
This is
permite
very
explicar
important because here we can explain
las células troncales tienen actividad
the
regenerativa.
stem cells have a regeneration activity.
En los últimos años,
In the last years,
el doctor Ricardo Gordillo
the Dr. Ricardo Gordillo
ha estado ocupando
has been using
una preparación denominada
a preparation
plasma
that
enriquecido en plaquetas,
that's called a plasma-rich use of plated rich plasma.
Este se obtiene a partir de la
That will
sangre
come from the blood
de las personas,
of the persons.
se centrifuga
We centrifugate
y
it,
tenemos una
and
preparación
then we have a
con
preparation
capacidad regenerativa.
that has this capacity of regenerate.
Pero nuestra intención actual
But our intention
es
nowadays
fortalecer
is to strong
este tratamiento
this, to make this treatment stronger, to strengthen it,
adicionando células
and
troncales.
putting additionating stem cells.
Y los resultados serán mucho mejores.
And the results are much better.
Muchas son las aplicaciones
Lots are those applications
de las células troncales en medicina.
of the stem cells that we can use in the medicine.
Prácticamente se han desarrollado
They've been developing,
proyectos clínicos
they have been developing clinical projects
para diferentes enfermedades en el humano.
for different illnesses in the human being.
Por mencionar solo algunas,
Just to mention some,
con células troncales
we can talk about the stem
podemos
cells.
regenerar la epidermis
We can regenerate the skin
en personas con pie diabético, por ejemplo,
in persons with a diabetic
o que
foot
sufren quemaduras.
or that have burn issues of the skin,
Como tenemos
injuries.
capacidad en el banco
As we have the capacity in the bank
de producir otras células,
and to produce other cells,
podemos desarrollar
we can
cultivos
develop cultures
de fibroblastos y
of
queratinocitos
fibroblasts and keratinocytes
para generar
to
un
generate
tejido parecido a la piel.
a tissue that is very similar to the skin tissue.
¿Okay? Y podemos de esa manera
And then
corregir
we can correct
defectos en la epidermis.
some defects, some things in the
como
epidermis.
lo que pasa en
Like
las líneas de
what
expresión
we would like to do in the expression lines
en personas de edad avanzada.
that are in persons with older persons.
Estas son imágenes
Those are images
de corrección
of the
de
correction
líneas de expresión.
of the expression lines of the face of the lady. Yeah,
Son fotos naturales,
that's a natural photo.
no están con Photoshop.
They're not with Photoshop.
También podemos generar
Also, we can develop
los así llamados
the
organoides,
organoids
que son parecidos
that are very similar
a algunos tejidos de nuestro cuerpo,
to some tissues of our body
en pequeña escala,
in a little scale,
como
like
las células que forman parte del páncreas,
the cells that are part of our pancreas
que se denominan células beta.
that are called beta cells.
Podemos
We
cultivarlas,
can grow them,
ellas sintetizar insulina
and they can synthesize the insulin
y regenerar
and regenerate
la actividad
the activity
de las células para el control de glucosa.
of the cells to control the sugar quantity.
Hay muchas aplicaciones
There
más.
are much more applications of this.
Permítame solo comentarles
I just would like to
algunas más,
tell you
como
one more or two
estas de
more,
ortoartrosis
like the orthoarthrosis
en las manos,
in the hands,
o también se hace
or
comúnmente
also
en las rodillas.
very common done on the knees.
Las aplicaciones oftalmológicas,
Another application is in the eyes,
en especial de la córnea
and especially in the cornea
o de la retina,
or in the retina.
también tienen avances significativos.
They have also very advanced, they have been developed very, very well, advanced significativos.
Avances importantes.
That has been very important. The advance, the advance they have been doing.
Podemos cultivar células
We can
En
cultivate
condiciones especiales
cells in special conditions
para regenerar
to regenerate
la capa más superficial
The
o más
upper-
externa
the upper the tissue, the outer tissue
de la córnea.
of the cornea,
Quitar el tejido dañado
taking the tissue that is
Y
not good
sustituirlo
away and then substitute
por
it,
cultivo desarrollado
put a new one with the
en el laboratorio.
tissue that we have developed in the lab.
Y de esta manera
And in that sense,
la persona recupera
then the person can
agudeza visual.
have again a better view.
Puede haber otro tipo de aplicaciones,
Other type of applications
como
would
la
be,
activación de células
for
troncales
example, the stem cell application
para folículos capilares
to grow the hair follicles
y regenerar
and regenerate
o detener la pérdida de cabello.
or stop the loss of the hair.
Es tal el avance
It's so much the advantage
de las células troncales
that we have had in the stem cells
que ha sido posible generar
that we have been able to
reproduciéndolas en el laboratorio
reproduce them in the lab,
órganos
to reproduce in the lab different organs
completos en animales de laboratorio.
in animals, in lab animals.
Por ejemplo,
As an
ha
example,
sido posible
we
generar
have been possible
un corazón completo
to make a heart,
en
a
protocolos
complete heart
desarrollados en ratones.
that we have done in mice.
¿Ok? Pero debemos de tener mucho
But
cuidado
we have to be also very careful
porque existen productos
because there are several products,
comerciales
commercial products
que mencionan
that say
contener células
that they
troncales,
have stem cells,
lo cual no es posible.
and that's not possible.
Y en todo caso,
And in any case,
pueden contener partes
can
de una
have
célula,
parts of a cell,
pero producidas con altos estándares de calidad.
and they can be with a high standard of quality.
Podemos utilizar células
We
troncales
can we use
contra
stem
enfermedades
cells
infecciosas?
against infection diseases?
Por supuesto.
Yes, of
Podemos
course.
utilizarla, por
We
ejemplo,
could use it
en pacientes infectados
in patients that are infected
con
with
SARS-CoV-2
SARS-CoV-2
cuando enferman de COVID-19,
when they get ill of COVID-19.
sufren daño en sus
They
pulmones,
can have problems with their lungs
evidenciado por pulmonía,
that is evidential by
neumonía,
pneumonia.
pero también otros órganos se afectan,
But also other organs can be
como los
affected,
riñones
like the kidneys
o el hígado.
or the ¿cómo se dice hígado? Liver.
Por eso es que es una enfermedad tan seria
That's why it's such an important and serious disease
que potencialmente puede causar la muerte.
that can produce the dead.
Excuse me, doctors.
Yeah.
If possible, we need to, we're running out of time. How much more time are you going to need on the presentation?
En un minuto.
One minute. I think it's 2 slideshows more.
Very good. Thank you. I apologize for the interruption.
Se disculpa por
No,
la interrupción.
Necesitamos que en nuestro país
We also need that in our country
se legisle o se desarrollen las
we can develop
normas
the norms
para aplicar células troncales
that we can apply the stem
en
cells
medicina regenerativa,
in the regeneration
como ya se hace en Japón
medicine. Like it has been doing, it
desde,
has been done in Japan
desde el 2014.
since 2014.
Quisiera dejarlos
I will just want to leave
con
you
estas ideas o
with
pensamientos
ideas and these reflections
para sentirnos parte
so we can
de esta
be
interacción
part
con ustedes.
of this interaction with you. The fulfillment of dreams require many shared efforts. GRP 18 and the clinic SMA Health Services proudly belongs to the community of San Miguel de Allende. The overall objective is to improve the quality of life from our population, and only together we can contribute to this noble goal. Yeah. We
Queremos agradecer mucho,
want
mucho
to
el que
thank
nos hayan prestado su atención.
that you have, thank you very much that you have paid attention to this.
Espero poder haber referido
And I hope that we have
aspectos generales
touched some
de
general aspects
de la medicina regenerativa.
of this regeneration medicine.
Para cualquier información adicional,
For any other information,
no duden en comunicarse con
please
nosotros.
don't hesitate to communicate with us.
Puede ser a través del Dr. Ricardo
And
Gordillo,
we can do it through the Dr. Ricardo Gordillo,
cuyos datos aparecen aquí,
where you can see his phone number
y ustedes lo conocen
and
ampliamente.
you know him very well.
Muchas gracias por su atención.
Thank you for your attention.
Thank you, doctor, and thank you, the interpreter. I really appreciate the presentation, which I know a lot of people, we have over 50 people on this Zoom call. I have a couple of questions here. First of all, do you only use embryonic stem cells in your therapy, but also adult stem cells?
Se volvió a trabar.
Did you get that?
No, I'm sorry. We didn't get it. You were frozen.
Okay. The question is, do you only use embryonic stem cells in your therapy?
La pregunta es si solamente usamos
No, solamente células troncales mesenquimales.
no, we will just use mesenchymal, we use stem cells.
Para
mesenchymal
células
stem cells.
embrionarias
For those other cells,
deben superarse muchas cuestiones
we have to do
bioéticas
other, we have to overcome other ethic situations, issues,
y es un proceso muy largo
and it's a
todavía.
very long process still.
Okay. And another question, and then we're going to have to cut it short. Do you have any experience using stem cells for multiple sclerosis?
In multiple sclerosis.
Es una posibilidad.
Yes, that's a
Importante.
possibility, and it's an important possibility to you.
Hay algunos pacientes
There's some patients
que han respondido muy bien a esa
that
terapia.
have been responding very well with that therapy.
Okay, very good. Doctors, again, thank you very much for the very informative and interesting presentation. For all of you that are on board, there's going to be a test a little bit later on, so make sure that I'm just kidding, of course.